Let me create a table. Create table, cons 1, col 1, number. Let me query it. As expected, it doesn't have any rows. Now, let me insert a null value. I can do it by just specifying two single quotes. Query it. We see the null value here. What this means is, while creating a table, if we just specify the column name and its data type, by default it accepts null values. Now let me insert a number. I know it is a numerical column. Verify it. We see the numerical value here. And let's drop the table as of now. Thank you for watching.